Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce noise in Adobe Audition. So yeah, what you have to do first, I'm just gonna add here some video. I'm just gonna record some video, and well, it does not work because there's a problem with the hardware. So we can go here to audio hardware and we can change the exact audio. Okay, and here we have some video. So now if you want to add to reduce noise, what you can do basically is to go to effects, and here in effects we have noise reduction and restoration, and here you have the option to denoise. So click on here. And here you have some presets: heavy noise reduction or light noise reduction. I'm gonna go with heavy noise reduction, and then I can simply apply this. And you can also here save this setting as a preset, but we already use the preset because you can also use default and then set this manually. You also have processing focus here, output noise only, couple of settings here, and so I can test this again. So if I go here to window, can change this to mastering or loudness or essential. Then I'm just gonna record a very simple audio test. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing audio, and then now I have this one here, and I can actually just gonna go to classic, and now I can select this portion, let's say, and now I can go back to effects, noise, and then click on the noise. And now when I play this, I can hear this is the background and this my voice, and I can increase this, see if it fixed the problem.
1 2 3
As you can see, if I change to amount to 0, now there's less background noise. So that's, you can also select from here, from presets, or you can do it manually. And as you can see, I don't have background noise here because this red will tells me that that's background noise. Just apply, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.